Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Cozy Cover. This is going to be a product review. Now, if you're somebody who is living in a cold climate and you have an infant, then this is going to be very helpful for you because you're going to want to keep that baby warm during this winter season. Keep watching.
You don't even know my name, but she wanna know the game. She thinks that I'm a
Alright guys, so I recently ordered the Cozy Covers. Right now, as you can see outside, let me turn the camera around, let you see outside just for a little bit. So it's pretty cold out there right now, and you know, when we're out shopping or just out and about, I need to keep the baby warm, and I really didn't want to go ahead and use blankets and all that stuff because it can be unsafe. The only option was to get what I had reviewed was a Cozy Cover. Well, I don't have the box for the Cozy Covers anymore, but I purchased it with my own cash, and what I like about it is it's a nice warm textured material inside, which is going to keep the baby nice and warm during the late fall, early winter, and throughout the winter season. And it's very easy to use. Now, this Cozy Cover is compatible with a Snug Ride 30. This is a Graco Click Connect car seat. And this is very compatible with it. I just want to show you something. All I had to do really was disconnect the umbrella. So as you guys know, when you have your car seats, initially the umbrellas are attached. And let me just show you quickly how I went in and I disconnected it for all you new mamas out there. I'm just gonna go on in, my umbrella's back on. I'm just gonna go on in and click this little button on both sides. And that's going to release. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to release my umbrella. And from here, I now can attach my Cozy Covers. We're gonna go in and put on our Cozy Covers. Just make sure it's the right way. Going over first. Hey, baby. Peekaboo. Yeah. Alright, it is this simple. Now for reference, Catherine is 4 months still, but she will be 5 months on December 6th, and she weighs approximately 14 pounds. Right now she's probably 14 pounds, maybe 14 and a half. And she fits very comfortably inside this. And obviously I would not cover it up in the car, but what I plan to do is when I'm trying to take her out, I would cover this to take her out. But she gets a little upset, obviously. She gets a little upset. So if I'm going out, I'll just go ahead and pull the handle and I would take her out. Yes! Now I would just close this flap so the wind or the snow or the element from the outside does not get into her face. And it's very secured and nice and comfy and cozy for her. Also guys, the Cozy Covers is machine washable, and I'm looking at it and it's made out of a polyester blend, and that's going to be very easy for you to take care of. And I find it to be a nice product. It's very warm, and like I said earlier, I'm very concerned about having the blankets on my baby, and I don't want to go with having jackets because you're not supposed to have jackets within that car seat. Well, that's it for today guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Smooches until next time. Say bye-bye.